In this video, I am going to tell you how you can rotate your video in Filmora slightly. So for example, I will first of all add a video in timeline. I hope you know how to add a video in timeline. So you can see this is my TV in this video and it is not horizontal. You can see this is slightly not horizontal. So whenever I right click on this, I will I get an option to rotate it, but by 90 degree, which I don't want. I just want to slightly rotate it. So what I will do it, I will just double click on this video and you can see there is an option of video, audio, colors, animation. So I will just tap on transform, this option in under video. So I will get this option and rotate. So I can slightly rotate from here. You can see slight rotation is possible from here. So you can see I will just slightly rotate it and make it proper horizontal. So this is now proper horizontal, but you can see black line is showing at the left. So there is an option of scale. You can just make it proper. So from here you can zoom in and you can see now it is properly horizontal. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. If you still face any problem, you can comment below and I will definitely give you reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.